In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome's slow, lagging freezing on Windows 11. If Chrome feels choppy, unresponsive, or keeps freezing on your Windows 11 PC, follow along. We'll walk through a clean sequence of fixes inside Chrome's own settings to speed things up and make browsing smoother. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then choose Settings. This is your control center for everything we're about to adjust. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Here, open Clear Browsing Data. Clearing temporary files removes old cache that can slow Chrome down. In the pop-up, focus on cached images and files. That option is safe to clear and often makes the biggest difference. If you're comfortable, you can include cookies and other site data, but be aware that doing so may sign you out of some sites. When you're ready, click Clear Data and let Chrome finish. Next, head to Extensions. Too many or misbehaving add-ons are a common cause of lag. On the Extensions page, disable all extensions by switching them off. This doesn't uninstall them, it simply pauses them. You can always turn them back on later, one by one, to find any that might be causing slowdowns. Go back to Settings. Now click About Chrome. This page automatically checks for updates and installs them. Updates include performance improvements and bug fixes that can resolve freezing and stuttering. If an update is installed, you may be prompted to relaunch Chrome. Go ahead and do that so the changes take effect. After updating, return to the left menu and click Performance. Open Memory Saver and turn it on. This feature reduces memory usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which helps keep active tabs fast, especially if you tend to keep many tabs open at once. You can add exceptions for sites you always want active. Then click System. Here, turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Some graphics drivers don't play nicely with Chrome, and disabling hardware acceleration can eliminate rendering stutters and random freezes. Chrome will likely ask you to relaunch. Accept the relaunch to apply the change. That's it. You cleared all data, temporarily disabled extensions, updated Chrome, enabled memory saver, and turned off hardware acceleration. Test your browsing now. Pages should load quicker, scrolling should feel smoother, and those random hangs should be gone. If everything looks good, you can selectively re-enable extensions you trust and need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome running fast again on Windows 11.